Hi, I'm Katie with the Frain Group. Today I'm here with Mike from Healthcare Products, who's in for his factory acceptance test. Mike, I know many plants face different production challenges on a daily basis. What were some of the challenges that you guys were facing that had you seek out Frain in the first place?
Well, one, the customer asked us to provide a product that we knew nothing about. It's not very large in the industry out there, so I just got on the phone and started calling people. Called Frain, said this is what I want to do, and turned it over to them, and they came back with some solutions and resolutions for us, and that's why we're here today. The Frain team just put something together for us we knew nothing about and made it mission accomplished.
Well, excellent. And it looks like you're under a Thiele Cartoner here and everything's running smoothly?
Yes, it is. This is our second one. Our first one we have on location. This is our second one, and just overly impressed with the work that's been done.
Excellent. Well, thank you for your time today. We really appreciate it.